Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show how to make rose radishes. Start with fresh, firm radishes, washing them thoroughly and trimming the root and stem ends. Next, make 4 or 5 shallow, vertical cuts around the radish, being careful not to cut all the way through to the center. These initial cuts are crucial for forming the petals of your radish rose. This simple step sets the foundation for a beautiful garnish. Now, with a small, sharp knife, gently peel back each of the cut sections you just made. These will become the outer petals of your radish rose. Continue this process, peeling back layers to create a fuller, more intricate flower. The goal is to achieve a natural, open appearance, making each radish a unique, edible decoration. For the inner bud, carefully trim the very center of the radish. You want to shape it into a small, distinct bud that complements the outer petals you've already formed. Remove any excess radish to refine its shape, ensuring it looks like the heart of a blooming rose. This detail adds significant depth and realism to your edible creation. To finish, place your beautifully crafted radish roses into a bowl of ice water for about 15 minutes. This cold bath helps the petals crisp up and open even further, enhancing their visual appeal. Once firm, drain them well and they are ready to use. These elegant garnishes are perfect for adding a touch of sophistication to salads, appetizers, or any festive platter.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.